Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable surround sound on Sharp Android TV. To do it, click on the menu button on your remote while you're either within some app like YouTube, Netflix or something else, or while you're watching live TV. Then this menu that you see right here will look like in my case or completely different. But it doesn't really matter because as soon as you go to the sound section, then this menu here within sound will look exactly the same as in my case. Now you'll find surround sound and you can just enable it, but it's gonna work the best, of course, if you have some external speakers plugged in, at least 4, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. 2 rear speakers, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.